Hello students, today we are going to see the appreciation of the poem Vocation written by Rabindranath Tagore. First of all children, what is meant by appreciation? Let's understand. Appreciation means to recognize or to enjoy the good qualities of something or someone. And poetry appreciation is that attitude towards poetry. Students should cover the given points while writing the appreciation. Points such as title of the poem, poet of the poem, theme, central idea of the poem, structure and stanzas, rhyme and rhythm, rhyme scheme, figures of speech. Student, let's write the appreciation of the poem Vocation with the help of these points. Title of the poem Vocation, poet. It is written by none other than the great Indian poet Rabindranath Tagore. The central idea of the poem or the theme of the poem. The poem describes a child's longing for the immense freedom he sees in the lives of those around him. Here Rabindranath Tagore tells us that different people have different vocation. Some are bangle sellers, others are gardeners, some are in charge of security. When we are young, we look around us and want to do what others are doing. And when we decide what exactly we wish to become, we must work hard to reach our goal and become something in life. So what is the central idea of the poem? That it echoes a child's ever-changing dreams for the future. Structure and stanzas. There is no uniformity in the length of line and stanzas. Rhyme, rhythm and rhyme scheme. There is no uniformity in the rhyme, rhythm in this poem. And there is no rhyme scheme in this poem. So such poems are known as free verse poem. It's a free verse poem. Why? Because there is no uniformity in rhythm, rhyme, and there is no rhyme scheme in this poem. Figures of speech. The poet has used various figures of speech such as onomatopoeia, repetition, simile, antithesis to add beauty to the poem. The poet has used antithesis in the line watchman walking up and down. Up and down words are the opposite words. They occur in the same line. So the figures of speech of the line is antithesis. Then gong sound, gong, it's an onomatopoetic sound. So that line is onomatopoeia. Simile, the street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye. It's a simile. So students must write at least one or two examples of these figures of speech while writing the appreciation. One more poetic device is used in this poem, that is imagery. What is imagery, student? Imagery used to create an image in the mind of the reader. Means while reading that line, an image is created in the minds of the reader. So here also, while reading the line, the lane is dark and lonely, it creates the image of that lane in the minds. So imagery, the poet has used the imagery to create image in the mind of the reader. I hope students you understand the appreciation of the poem. Write this appreciation in your classwork in point format. Thank you.